In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import reviews on Shopify with Judged Me. Before you begin, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin and that the Judged Me app is already installed on your store. Importing reviews is a great way to keep your product pages looking trustworthy and consistent, especially if you are moving from another platform or you have collected reviews outside of Shopify. Start by opening the Judged Me app from inside your Shopify dashboard. The easiest way to do this is to look at the left-hand navigation in Shopify. Find your Apps section and then select Judge Me. Once the app loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct store, since many people manage more than one storefront. Working in the wrong store is a common mistake, so it is worth double-checking. Next, go to the top menu inside Judge Me and click Manage Reviews. This is the main area where Judge Me organizes everything related to your review content, including individual reviews, moderation tools, and settings that control how reviews appear on your site. If your screen looks a little different, focus on the top navigation, since that is where this option is typically located. After you select Manage Reviews, open the drop-down menu and choose Import and Export. This section is where you will handle bringing review data into Judged Me, as well as exporting reviews out if you ever need a backup or want to move platforms later. When you are working with importing, it helps to prepare your files ahead of time and keep them clean and consistent, so the data maps correctly when you upload it. Also, try to keep your product identifiers organized, because reviews need to match the correct products to display properly on your Shopify product pages. Once you are in Import and Export, you are in the right place to begin the import process and follow any on-screen prompts Judged Me provides for your specific situation. And that is all there is to it.